What's up, guys? Hope you're in the marvelous days. Girl Mitch back with a brand new video. If you're new, hey girl, thank God for watching. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down some eyes on my channel. See by that title, I'm going to be doing my Pamper day routine, my self-care, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, the first thing I do for my pamper routine is get my pedicure done, and I'm going for this type of red color because red looks so good on my toes. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's time for my skincare now. So I'm putting some cold water on my face to prep my face for my facial wash. Now I'm going with my Survive hydrating facial cleanser and putting it all over my face. I love using this cleanser because it takes off dirt and makeup, and it's for dry skin and oily skin, so it's a +1. Now I'm going in with my exfoliator brush to exfoliate my face, and yeah, I love using this brush so much. Okay guys, so my next step is I'm taking off my facial cleanser and I'm just using cold water on some rag, and I'm just doing that in circular motion, and that's what I do to take off my facial cleanser. And yeah. Okay guys, so my next step after my facial wash, I'm going to be moisturizing my face in this Survive hydrating moisturizing lotion, and I'm just making sure I put it all over my face and moisturize the areas where I'm mostly dry because I'm a dry skin person. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's time for some eye mask, and this is my first time ever putting on some eye mask, so I was kind of nervous, but you know, it came out pretty much good. And I think I read that someone says eye masks help with puffy under your eyes, and I don't know, but it just helps with puffiness. That's what I read about it. So I was like, I need it because my sleep schedule is all messed up, and yeah, I just need to relax myself at this point from school and from turning in assignments at 11:59 p.m. If you know, you know. Okay, and I'm just putting on my regular face mask. If you are OG on my channel, you know I love using this face mask when I'm getting ready to, you know, just get ready to go anywhere. And yeah, I leave the face mask and the eye mask on for 10 minutes, but I did overdo the 10 minutes because I was doing other stuff. But yeah. So now I'm going back in with my rag, and I'm using cold water to take off my face mask and my eye mask, and I'm just going in circular motions again to take it off, and I'm making sure I take it off properly because sometimes it leaves residue, so I'm just taking my time. And yeah. So it's step 2 for my eye mask, and after taking off my eye mask, they wanted me to put this type of white cream under my eyes, and I think it's like this type of moisturizing cream for my underneath of my eyes after taking off the mask. I really don't know, but I didn't know what I was doing at this point, okay? But I think I needed to rub it in my eyes, underneath my eyes, and I did put a little bit too much, but hey, it worked either way, so yeah. So now I'm putting on some Vaseline on my lips because I don't know why y'all didn't tell me my lips was dry, okay? But it was looking so dry. And now I'm going back in my Survive Daily Moisturizing Lotion and just moisturizing my face back over again because after taking off my face mask, my face was dry. Everything was just dry on my face, okay? And yeah. Next, I'm gonna shave my legs, and I'm using some some coconut oil to shave my legs for the first time. I saw this girl did it before, and I was like, let me try it out. But I don't know why did I think this was gonna work because as you can see, I got some hairy legs over here, and girl, I had to do this over million times. Okay, now I'm going in with my brown sugar body scrub to scrub my legs after shaving because I don't want no ingrown hair. I just don't want any bumps after shaving. You know what I mean? Girls, you know what I mean, okay? Next is bathtub time to relax myself because your girl been stressing a lot. So I'm just filling up my tub with some nice hot water. And I'm just so excited at this point because like I haven't been, pampering myself in a long time. Now I'm going in with the soaking solution salt in lavender and let's putting some in the water, and it's my first time ever using it. My mom says it's good for soaking your body and it just relaxes you, so I'm like, it did. So I'm so happy because I've just been stressed out from online school. And now I'm putting in my bath bomb in my water, and I can't remember the flavor that I got it in. I really don't know. This is my first time ever using a bath bomb. Like, I'm so new to Pamper because I never pampered myself before. That's so crazy. Now I'm going in with my Dove body wash, and I didn't like this Dove body wash because it was just so different. Now I'm putting on my candle to set the mood and just be, relaxing because I just been stressed out, okay? And yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is how my bathtub is set up. It just looks so pretty. But before y'all come for me, yes, I took a shower after, taking a bath and sitting in my dirt for some minutes. Okay, don't do me, okay, sis? But yeah. After a whole day getting myself pampered, I'm just gonna have some nice hot tea. And I'm using peppermint green tea, and I've been liking green tea lately, and it just relaxes me from a long day from school, or just a long day, okay? Now I'm going in with some stevia and put it in my green tea because, the green tea be kind of a little bitter. So I'm just using 2 packs and just to make it a little sweeter, but, not too sweet. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do for, my Pamper Day routine.